Hi friends, welcome back to my channel which is Study with Ohana. I am Ohana and today we are going to discuss about measuring temperature and thermometer. So let's start. So friends, what is temperature? Temperature is the measure of degree of hotness or coldness of a body. For example, if we touch an object, we can feel its hotness or coldness. This is the temperature of the object. Every fundamental physical quantity has an SI unit. Temperature is also a fundamental physical quantity, so it also has a SI unit which is Kelvin. The other commonly used units to measure temperature are degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and degree Fahrenheit. So now let's know our scientist. Who is this? This is Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, who was a Polish-born Dutch-German physicist and maker of scientific instruments. He is best known for inventing the first modern thermometer, the mercury thermometer, and for developing the Fahrenheit temperature scale in 1714, which is now used as a standard scale for scientific purposes all over the world. So now let's talk about thermometer. Friends, I hope you can see an object on the screen. This is a thermometer which is used to measure the temperature of an object or human beings. It is made up of a thin, long and uniform glass tube called capillary tube. I am showing the capillary tube to all of you. This thin, long tube, till this is the capillary tube. Now we are coming to the bulb. This thermometer has a bulb at one end which contains a liquid, either mercury or alcohol, which is used for measuring temperature. This is the bulb. This silver colored. Mercury is generally used as a thermometric fluid. Now let's go to the scales on a thermometer. Friends, there are three scales on a thermometer. They are Kelvin scale, Celsius scale or centigrade scale and Fahrenheit scale. The three scales are given on the screen and each scale has a lower fixed point and the upper fixed point. The lower fixed point in Kelvin scale is 273.15 Kelvin and the upper fixed point in Kelvin scale is 373 Kelvin. The lower fixed point in Celsius scale is 0 degrees Celsius and the upper fixed point in Celsius scale is 100 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale, the lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and in Fahrenheit scale, the upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. I hope that you have understood all the different types of scales on a thermometer. Now we will go to the types of thermometer. But before that, discussing about the types of thermometer, we will do some conversions. So friends, now let's convert from the centigrade scale to Fahrenheit scale, in which the centigrade scale is given, that is 37 degrees Celsius. This is the formula for this conversion, that is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. So, in the place of this C means centigrade, we will write this number. 37 by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. And we will do this equation. So this is the answer, 98.6, which is answer is equal to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So I think you have understood this conversion, and if we want to go from Fahrenheit to centigrade, we will do this thing only, but the vice versa. And we have to remember this equation, c by 5 is equal to f minus 32 by 9. We will do another conversion. So now let's convert from the centigrade scale to Kelvin scale, where the centigrade scale is given, that is 10 degree centigrade. To do this, we have to add 273 degree Kelvin to that centigrade scale which is given, then we will find the answer. So first we have to add like this, 10 plus, and Kelvin is the answer. And if we want to go from Kelvin scale to Celsius scale, that is where we will convert from Kelvin scale to centigrade scale, we have to minus this 273 Kelvin. So friends, I think that you have successfully understood the conversions. Now let's discuss about the types of thermometers. There are three types of thermometers: clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, and maximum and minimum thermometer. A clinical thermometer is given on the screen. So let's discuss about the clinical thermometer. What is the clinical thermometer used for? A clinical thermometer is used for measuring the body temperature of humans. It is also called as doctor's thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature when we have fever. The normal temperature of a healthy human body is 37 degrees Celsius, and if the mercury reaches above 37 degrees Celsius, then we understand that we have fever. The scale on each stem shows temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius only. A clinical thermometer has 4 parts: a bulb, a kink, a capillary tube, and a glass stem. So now let's go to the laboratory thermometer. Why the laboratory thermometer is used for? A laboratory thermometer is used for measuring the temperature of chemicals in the laboratory. The scale on each stem shows temperature from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The construction of the laboratory thermometer is just as the same as a clinical thermometer, but the laboratory thermometer does not have a kink. Now let's go to the maximum and minimum thermometer. The maximum and minimum thermometer is used for measuring the maximum and minimum temperatures of the day at a particular place. It is also known as 6S thermometer. So why it is known as 6S thermometer? It is known as 6S thermometer because the thermometer was invented by James VI in 1780. It is commonly used in weather forecasting and horticulture. So friends, today till this much. See you in the next video. Bye.